I want to welcome you to the captivating world of tax deeds and liens. It's a marketplace filled with potential, but also fraught with challenges. Did you know out of the 3,007 counties in the United States, over 2,500 offer tax deeds or liens for sale? Every year, hundreds of thousands flock to these sales, hoping to secure properties at a fraction of their market value. But not all stories have a fairy tale ending. Of these ambitious investors, an astounding 40% face losses in their initial ventures. Yes, you heard right. Nearly half of new tax deed investors don't see the returns they hope for. This might raise the question, why? Well, the world of tax deeds and liens isn't just about buying properties cheaply. It's about understanding the landscape, assessing risk, and making informed decisions. Every property comes with its own history, its own challenges, and its own potential for reward. The key is knowing how to discern the diamonds from the duds. Statistics don't lie. For every success story, there's someone who failed because they jumped in without the right preparation. That's where we come in. Our tax deed and lien courses aren't just about showing you the possibilities. It's about equipping you with the knowledge, the tools, and the strategies to navigate this intricate world. By the end of this course, you just won't be another number in the statistics of failure. You'll be part of the elite, informed investors who know how to turn potential pitfalls into profitable ventures. So are you ready to rewrite your tax deed investing story? Stick with us and let's embark on this journey together. But before we dive deep, it's essential to understand the pitfalls that lead to those high failure rates. Knowledge is power, and by identifying these common mistakes, we can chart a safer, more prosperous path forward. The number one reason is lack of due diligence. First up, the lack of proper due diligence. Many investors are enticed by the idea of securing a property at rock bottom prices, but they fail to research the property's history, outstanding liens, or potential damages. Next, the pitfall of underestimating costs. Beyond the initial purchase price, investors can be blindsided by hidden expenses, from unpaid taxes to repair costs, legal fees, and more. Misjudging timeframes is another frequent misstep. Whether it's overestimating the redemption period or underestimating the time it takes to renovate and sell, time mismanagement can quickly erode potential profits. Law is integral to real estate. Those who venture into tax deed investing without a robust understanding of the legal landscape often find themselves entangled in avoidable disputes, leading to financial drains. Lastly, the absence of a clear strategy. Just like setting sail without a map can lead to getting lost at sea, diving into tax deed investments without a concrete plan can result in aimless, unprofitable decisions. So, understanding these pitfalls isn't meant to discourage, but to empower. With awareness comes the ability to avoid these mistakes and maximize your chances for success. So I want you to stick with us, and we'll guide you through each of these challenges, providing the insights and strategies you need to thrive in the world of tax deed investing. So how can one overcome the hurdle of a directionless approach? The answer lies in having a well thought out strategy, and we're here to guide you through the essentials. First of all, I want you to set clear objectives. Begin by setting clear objectives. Understand your primary goal. Is it short-term profit, long-term wealth accumulation, or perhaps a mix of both? Defining this will help steer your decisions. Research and choose your market. Next, I want you to zero in on your market. Different regions have unique characteristics, from property values to tax laws. You need to research thoroughly and select areas that align with your goals. Money matters. Clearly outline your budget, considering both your purchasing power and potential additional costs. A realistic budget helps avoid overextensions and financial pitfalls. Investing isn't a solo journey. Foster relationships with professionals in the industry, realtors, lawyers, fellow investors. Their insights can be invaluable. The real estate world is dynamic. Regularly update your knowledge, attend workshops, read relevant literature, and stay in touch with market trends. Always assess risk. Every property and deal comes with this set of challenges. Weigh the potential returns against the risk and always have an exit strategy. These core principles form just a fragment of our 9-step blueprint. And yes, strategy is an integral part of it. With our guidance, you'll be equipped to navigate the tax deed investing landscape with confidence and clarity. I want you to stay tuned as we delve deeper into each step, ensuring that you're well prepared for every facet of tax deed investing. When it comes to tax deed investing, knowledge isn't power. It's the foundation of your success. The significance of diligent research and pinpointing the right markets cannot be emphasized enough. Studies consistently showcase that the most successful investors dedicate ample time to research. They aren't merely looking at surface-level data. They're diving deep, analyzing trends, understanding economic indicators, and forecasting future growth. In fact, according to a recent study by the National Real Estate Investors Association, investors who spent more than 20 hours on market research were 60% more likely to report above average returns on their investments. And it's not just about quantity, but quality. Understanding which markets align with your goals can make all the difference. An urban market might offer quick turnarounds for a flip, while a suburban or rural area might hold the key to long-term income. This is where the magic happens. When you align robust research with the right market choice, you're not just investing, you're crafting a future success story. By now, you're probably realizing the undeniable power of proper research. And here's the beautiful part. You don't have to navigate these waters alone. Our custom implementation call isn't just another service. It's an orientation, a deep dive into the realm of research and market selection tailored just for you. And the best part, it's educational. We're here to build rapport, to guide, and to enlighten. Now, we believe in the power of education, and that's what sets us apart. You won't feel sold, you'll feel empowered, because our end goal isn't just a transaction, it's your success. When it comes to tax deed investing, knowledge isn't just power. As I said before, it's the foundation of your success, and this cannot be emphasized enough. Due diligence and pinpointing the right markets is exactly what you have to do. But I want to delve a little bit deeper. It's not just about the aesthetic appeal of a place or its current vibrancy. Successful investment hinges on intricate details. For instance, consider the number of new bills in a county in the last 3 months. This data can be a barometer for local economic health and the area's potential for future growth. Then there's the critical metric of how many days properties remain on the market in your targeted areas. A shorter duration often signifies high demand, whereas prolonged time can hint at possible concerns or lower demands. But data isn't just about the present. It's about forecasting the future. Understand the direction in which a market is headed can be the difference between a wise investment and a costly mistake. Remember, market data always trumps product data. By delving into these detailed metrics, you're arming yourself with the insights that offer a clearer path to success. So if you're really serious about getting into tax deeds and lien investing, and you want a customized plan just for you, I want you to go ahead and sign up for our free implementation call. Okay, it's a 15-minute call. It's absolutely free, and we'll help you to determine what is the direction that you need to head in order to be successful with tax deed and lien investing.